Hello students. Today I am going to explain you poem 3 from your textbook Hornbill, The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman. Introduction of the poem. The Voice of the Rain is a short free verse poem by the American poet Walt Whitman. Originally published in a periodical called Outing in 1885, it was later reprinted in Leaves of Grass, Whitman's most celebrated collection of verse. In The Voice of the Rain, the speaker listens to the personified figure of the rain liken itself to poetry. Describing each stage of the water cycle, the poem pays homage to the restorative power of the natural world and claims that poetry nourishes humanity just as rain nourishes the earth. Here, the meaning of restorative is having the ability to restore health, strength, or well being. Let us read the poem. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, give me an answer, as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal, I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence vaguely form had altogether changed and yet the same. I descend to lave the droughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin, and make pure and beautify it. For song, issuing from its birthplace, after fulfillment, wandering, wreckhead or unwreckhead, duly with love returns. Here, meaning of thou is you. Eternal means lasting or existing forever. Meaning of impalpable is something that cannot be touched. Meaning of whence is from what place, source or cause. Vaguely means roughly. Meaning of descent is move or fall downwards. Lave means wash, bath. Atomies means tiny particles. Latent means hidden. Wreckhead means changed. Duly means in a due manner. Summary of the poem. The poet asked the soft falling shower, "Who are you?" To which the rain replied in a strange to state manner. The rain said that it was the poem of the earth, and it rose continuously from the land and bottomless ocean in the form of vapors. The rain tells the poet that it rises upwards towards the sky in the form of vapor, where it changes its form, condenses into water droplets. It also says that although its form gets changed, it still remains the same. The rain comes down to wash the drought and provide water. It also washes away the dust and small particles from the earth's surface, and the seeds inside the earth grow into a plant because of the water provided by the rain. It gives life to the seeds. The rain says that by day and night it provides life, care, enrichment, and water to the place from where it originated. The rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for itself again. The rain is like a song that originates from its birthplace, just like the heart of the singer, and travels to fulfill the earth's need and wonders. It finally comes back to the place from where it originated. Whether it is ruined or not, it returns to the original position with a lot of love to its birthplace. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.